Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default web browser inside of Windows. So the very first step is that you need to make sure that you've installed Google Chrome. Once Google Chrome is installed, here's what you need to do. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click on the Windows icon, or you can hit the Windows key on your keyboard, and that'll bring up some options. And what we're looking for is settings. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in settings here, and we're going to click settings that come up in this menu. Now you'll see that this settings window has popped up, and what we're interested in looking at is the apps section. So I'm going to go ahead and click on apps, and when this comes up, we are interested in looking at the default apps section. So this is going to show you all the default apps that are being used on your computer, and what we are interested in searching for is Google Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in Google into the default application search bar, and here we have Google Chrome. So now we're going to go ahead and click on Google Chrome, and right here at the very top right where it says make Google Chrome your default browser, you want to go ahead and click set default. And when you do that, you'll see a little checkbox happen here. So after you've set default and you have the check mark here, the next thing to do is to check a couple of these additional settings. So it's important to understand that when you open a web page, it's going to open in HTTP or HTTPS. So you want to make sure that you have Google Chrome as the program selected. So if, for example, you clicked set as default and Edge, Microsoft Edge is still set to open up HTTP or HTTPS pages, you simply just click this, move it to Google Chrome, and set it as the default for both HTTP and HTTPS. And that's it. That's how you set Google Chrome to be your default web browser inside of Windows. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit like and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you will be alerted when we put out more helpful content like this. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.